You were crying. Now tell me why. I don't want to be in a blended family. Paige, my poor Bobby Paige. You always knew this was going to happen. My relationship was getting a little bit out of hand. Let's go down to your music lab and we'll talk about it. I'll bring down the whole family. We can talk about this in private. Me and Ken will just have kids together and then we'll move out. Then it will be Paige. But I love you. Why would I ever want to leave? This is the best life I've ever been given ever since Mom and Dad died. Well, sometimes, Paige, you've just got to accept that Mom and Dad are gone and I'm your new mum. And when I leave, you'll be the new mum of the family. It's going to be okay. Okay? I'm going to go get your new half mum down here. Elegance? Oh, yeah. Oh, Paige, darling. I'll just get one out of here. If you're scared about being in a blended family, I was in a blended family when I was little. And I'm beautiful. Is that why they called me Elegance? Because you're elegant? No, I didn't even know I was going to be beautiful and elegant. You're beautiful and elegant. You should be called Elegance. I like the name Paige, though. Maybe I shouldn't cry about it. No. As soon as Barbie leaves and Ken, that's my baby boy gone too. I'll be a new mum. Thanks. Okay. I'm gonna go get the next parent. Okay, sorry. I'm glad that you married my sister. You don't need to be sorry, Paige. I know, it's hard for everybody. Even my little sister's upset about it. Really? Emmy's sad? I've never seen her sad since my dad died. And that was 4 years ago. Ooh, now I understand. And you don't need to call me Ken. You can call me Dad. Thanks, Dad. Okay. Want me to go get Skipper? No, I think I'm good. Okay.
Maybe being in a blended family isn't too bad after all.